Hi everyone, welcome back to Dave's Dumb Idea channel. At least probably a dumb idea, we'll see. So this is going to be a very quick, very short video. It's either going to work or it's not going to work, but I had a kind of an idea and we'll try it. So to get up the side of SJ, let me stand back and I'll show you. You have to, now that we've burst on obviously the starboard side, you have to step on a little step that's just kind of here behind the thing, and then you have to grab onto this rail here. And there's no rail here, but the step is quite far back, it's quite here. And because the lip starts quite a long way under there, and both me and Emma and well, pretty much everyone we know is quite tall, you have to basically do a bit of a limbo. You have to kind of have your foot there, your other foot over here, and then you have to lean backwards, putting all your weight on this. And the problem is you transfer your weight onto your forward foot. This here, over the years, has got quite slippy. Now it's got a bit of texture, the GRP is textured, which is intentional I believe to, you know, try and stop it from being slippy. But obviously this has been, you know, this is 21-year-old this boat now, 2001. So yeah, over the years it's got a little bit smooth. So I was looking for something else and this popped up actually on Amazon's suggestion thing. I was looking for something to screw into here to stop the decking from being slippy. But this is, well, we call it anti-slip stair tape. The idea is that if you've got like wooden stairs, smooth wooden stairs, it's to stop kids from slipping on it. Now, it's 10 centimetres wide, which is roughly, to my guess, and I've not tried this, so you're seeing it at the same time as me, but it's roughly, yeah, not far off, a little bit smaller, the width of the textured area. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do it at the full length because it's a different coloured white and this is only a test to see if it works. If it works, then I'll buy some transparent or something that's like black maybe or grey. But all I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a piece that goes from like here through to here, just there, shape it so it's the same shape as the textured stuff. I'm just going to stick it on and see what happens when we next go out. We'll see if it feels any safer. If it works, I'm also going to put a piece up on this front bit here because the textured stuff is down there, the textured stuff is up there, but this transition is all smooth, and after I've polished it, it's very slippery, should we say. So yeah, we'll see. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we'll take it off. But I think this stuff was £6. And it's like a 10-metre roll, so I've got more than enough to do the entire boat if I need to. But yeah, we'll give it a try, see what happens. It'll either work or it won't. But yeah, so I'm just going to give that a good clean with some meth and some cloth, make sure that there's no grit and all the water's out and displace and everything, so this will stick. And I'm going to cut it to size and stick it on, and we'll see what happens. So I will be back in a bit to show you the results. So, bit of a boozy bonus here for us. I thought the stuff was white, looked white on its roll. Turns out that the white was just the backing paper, and the actual tape itself is completely transparent. So you'd have no idea that that was stuck on. So I put it on, stuck it down. It's really well adhesive. Now, unfortunately, it's not adhering to a smooth surface when I think it'd be better. It's this textured surface, but I think I've got it pushed down enough and, you know, rubbed in enough that it's actually going to bite. And I gave it a bit of an overhang around the lip there. I don't know if you can see, there's a lip versus look. So I gave it a little bit bigger, but it's the difference between the old and the new is very noticeable. This actually feels almost like sandpaper now. So yeah, I would say that's probably going to be extra grippy. But yeah, we'll report back in a future video once we actually get a chance to take it out and try it. So, Dave's little boat hack 101. If that works, that's amazing. And I'm going to put it up both side decks and up on the front. So yeah, until the next time folks, take care and I will see you all later. Bye bye.